Have you ever felt completely exhausted? Like everyone wants something from you, but no one truly sees you. What if I told you the key to your peace? Happiness and success is learning to say no. Sarah was the type of person everyone relied on. Friends, family, colleagues, they all called her first. At first she felt proud, thinking, I'm being helpful. But slowly her energy drained. She had no time for herself. No space to breathe. She began to wonder, am I living my life or just living for others? One evening, Sarah cancelled her own plans again to help a friend move. As she sat in her empty apartment, exhausted and unappreciated, she realized her boundaries were invisible. She wanted to be kind, but kindness without limits was slowly consuming her. Sarah always said yes. Saying no felt selfish. She smiled while inside. Frustration grew. She noticed her own dreams slipping away. Her hobbies forgotten, her energy stolen. She thought, if I don't say yes, will they still love me? One day, while helping a colleague late at night, Sarah felt something break inside her. Tears rolled down her cheeks. She whispered to herself, I can't keep doing this. I am not responsible for everyone's happiness. It was the start of change. Sarah began reading about boundaries. She learned saying no is not cruelty. Saying no is self-respect. Boundaries protect your energy. Boundaries are love for yourself, not a rejection of others. The next day, a friend called asking for a favor. Sarah hesitated, then said, I can't help today. I need to rest. The friend was surprised. But Sarah felt lighter than she had in years. She discovered that no one could take her peace unless she gave it freely. Guilt came creeping in. Am I being selfish? But she reminded herself, a drained person cannot help anyone effectively. Growth required discomfort. She was learning that self-care was essential, not optional. Sarah started making a list, things she wanted for herself. Reading, painting, quiet walks. Each time she honored her list, she felt more alive. Prioritizing herself didn't mean she stopped caring. It meant she could care better from a place of strength. Some people didn't like the new Sarah. They questioned her, complained, even tried to guilt her. She learned a vital lesson. Not everyone will understand your boundaries. And that's okay. Your peace is more important than their approval. Saying no became easier. It wasn't a door slammed, it was a door opened. Opened to her dreams, to her joy, to her own life. She felt empowered, free, and respected herself more each day. Sarah noticed something beautiful. When she set boundaries, people started respecting them. They learned how to treat her. Her relationships became healthier. Giving too much before was like pouring water into a cracked cup. It never filled. Now she could pour from a full cup. Sarah spent weekends alone, reading and journaling. She traveled solo, laughed without worrying who needed her. She learned that loving herself wasn't selfish, it was necessary. Boundaries weren't walls, they were bridges to her better life. True kindness, she realized, is not about availability. It's about intention. You help from a place of fullness, not emptiness. Helping others only works when your own cup is full. Months passed, Sarah's life transformed. She was no longer everyone's servant, but everyone's friend. She discovered the joy of selective generosity. She had energy, focus, and happiness she never knew existed. You too can change your life today. It starts with one word, no asterisk, one boundary at a time. Protect your energy, honor your time, and love yourself enough to be unavailable when necessary. Your peace is priceless. Remember this, you are not meant to be available to everyone. You are meant to be available to yourself. Say no without guilt. Protect your energy. and watch how life opens doors to your dreams, your happiness, and your freedom. The power of boundaries isn't just about saying no. It's about saying yes to your life.